everyone, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful and budget friendly craft ideas like popstick, and these sticks famous on craft sticks on and ice cream sticks. So you can watch this video for more popstick designs as well. We trying to bring very best ideas and designs for you and very beautiful craft ideas, because this is the designs you can make very beautiful and interesting for school project and kids fun today, and we gives you the advice. So watch till the end, stay tuned with us. We try to bring the best idea and best designs for you. So keep it up, keep doing very well, and keep crafting, keep smiling, keep sharing craft. This is a very beautiful and easy to make school project, beautiful ideas and fun make designs. So whether you are thrown away sticks, so don't throw away it and make some fun and craft. So this is the best ideas and designs, best crafting ideas, colorful. So take some glue stick, hot glue or glue stick, pop sticks, and take some colors. So simple things, add simple things in and make some this type of craft this season. So holiday craft is best. Holiday ideas, holidays craft is holiday is about to begin, and you can make and create very well designing and ideas. So viewers, in this video we show you the best ideas and designs. So take the ideas, and today we are going to explore exciting ways to turn simple wooden sticks into beautiful decoration, useful items, and even amazing X-Mix projects. Popsicle, also known as ice cream sticks or craft sticks, are one of the simplest and most budget-friendly materials. With just a little glue gun, paint, and imagination, you can make almost anything out of them. And the best part is, you don't need expensive tools, just your creativity and a few basic supplies. What is supplies? Why popsicle crafts? Popsicle crafts are perfect for school projects because they are lightweight and easy to handle. Home decoration, because you can make photo frames, pen holders, or and wall art. Xmas celebration, because you can create stars, ornaments, and even tiny Xmas trees. They are safe, eco-friendly, and fun for all ages. So viewers, let's begin with some simple ideas. You can make photo frame, wall hanging decoration. Take 4 to 6 popsticks, arrange them into square or rectangle, and glue the corners. You can decorate the frame with board, buttons, or glitter. Add a photo and you have made a personalized frame. Bookmark. Paint a stick with bright color, add a ribbon or a small pom-pom on top, and you have a handmade bookmark. Perfect for gifts or school projects. Mini house. By sketching and gluing popstick, you can create a small model house, add windows, a door, curtain, and even a roof. It's a great idea for science or craft fairs. You can make a pen holder. Take a cardboard roll, cover it with vertical popstick all around. Glue them firmly and paint it. Now you have a rustic, stylish pen holder for your study table. Now let's bring holiday magic. Xmas is the perfect time to use popstick to make handmade decoration. Arrange 3 sticks in a triangle shape, glue them, and decorate with sequin beads or glitter. Add a small ribbon loop on top, and you have a Xmas tree ornament ready to hang. Star decoration. Use 5 sticks to live 2 stars from a star. Paint it gold or silver. Sparkle glitter and hang it on your Xmas tree. Mini sleigh. glue stick together to make a flat base. Then add curved piece for runners. Paint it red and white and your tiny X-Mix sleigh is ready for display. Snowflakes. Arrange sticks in a scissors pattern like an X or X and plus shape and small decorative beads and paint them white. You will have a beautiful snowflake decoration. Nativity scene or mini Xmas village. For school projects, you can even build a small hut or stable with popsticks. Decorate with cotton or snow and create a full Xmas display. Always use strong glue so your creation lasts longer. Try natural colors for a rustic look or bright paint for a sweet festive feel. Add ribbon, glitters and stickers for extra sparkle. You can even recycle old popsticks, just clean and paint them. Popstick crafts show creativity, recycling, and design skills. They are also hands on and interactive. Teachers love them because they combine art, imaginations, and problem solving. And remember, your project doesn't have to be project. What matters most is the fun of creating something with your own hand. So, whether it's a photo frame for your desk, a mini Xmas tree for your room, or a star to hang on your Xmas tree, Popsicle crafts are the perfect way to add creativity to your school project. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. I hope you feel inspired to pick up some popstick and start crafting today. Happy creating and happy festival in advance. So viewers, in this video we try to bring very best and amazing ideas for our Mexican, Spanish and US lovers who I think Western woman is very creative, very artistic, and she loves to do creative things. So these crafts especially dedicated to our Western viewers and subscribers. This is the very impressive and beautiful ideas for creative arts and school project and the very beautiful popstick collection, popstick creation. Hope you enjoy the all ideas and designs. Must subscribe, must like the video. We are trying to bring the best ideas and best videos for you. So leave your comment in the comment section and we try to bring the best ideas and best designs for our viewers and beautiful subscribers. Thank you for watching. You keep artists, keep making craft, keep doing something well and grow your business and make some asset and post on social media. Off screen, less screen time, improve your craft and healthy your mind. It will help mindfulness and healthy for your mind. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful craft. God bless you.